plastic container and make two hole at bottom of the plastic container. And after that, so this is experiment electrolysis. For this electrolysis we require container and electrodes and electrolytes we require. And this electrolysis, and we observe that on passing of the current, we observe that liberation of the hydrogen gases and the oxygen gas. And here what you want to do is, after making two holes, so these are the graphite rod, graphite. So this graphite rod act as the electrode. So one is act as the anode, another one is cathode. And insert through the hole, so two graphite rod. After that, so take the wire, different wire, and connect to the graphite rod. So by using this wax, avoid leakage of the water. So in this container what you want to do is, so this is acidified water. So this water contain acid. So that's why it's called as acidified water, and keep inside the container. Okay. After that, so this is a two test tube. Take the two test tube and keep inverted position on the graphite rod. So like this you want to keep. Okay. Okay. So two graphite rod that is act as a electrode. One is act as a anode, another one is act as cathode. So one is a plus charge, another one is minus. Okay. After that, so this another end of the wire, no. So another end of wire connect to the 9-volt battery. And after you observe that, so on passing of current to the circuit, on presence in presence of electricity, water is dissociated into oxygen and hydrogen. And we observe here oxygen and hydrogen liberation of gas and respective electrodes. So we can observe liberation of hydrogen gas, oxygen gas at cathode and anode. So after some time, yes. So after some time we observe that, so liberation of gas here. So liberation of gas in the form of bubbles. Okay, na? So which gas is liberated here? Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So water is decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, na?